मेरे पापा जी वो एक बड़ा खड़ूस हैं।
For the first time, whatever Tanya is collaborating with someone international. Hello, मेरे प्यारे बंधु, this is Tanya. Welcome back to my brand new vlog. So guys, this vlog is really special and real fun because this is for the first time whatever Tanya is collaborating with someone international. So here is my friend Lena. She's from Poland, Europe, and we decided to make a vlog on what we do in a day. So here you will see like what people in India do, like most of the people in India do. And guys, I'm not a rich person. I'm like very normal middle class family girl. So if you are from middle class, then you will truly relate because it's almost the same in any part of India. And Lena will be doing from her country, from Poland. So I hope you will get to see a lot of things which are extremely different and you will love it. And you know, I want to like tell you a few things about her. She's from Poland and Poland के साथ इंडिया का 4 hours 30 minutes का गैप रहता है टाइम का. Like India is ahead 4 hours 30 minutes. So right now as it's almost 1 here. So लेना की उधर मॉर्निंग हो रही होगी, अर्ली मॉर्निंग नहीं बट लाइक 8-7 ऐसे कुछ बज रहा होगा. एंड लेना डू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी, शी स्पीक्स हिंदी रियली वेल. सो होप यू गेट टू हियर हर हिंदी इन दिस ब्लॉग टू. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली होप यू गाइज एन्जॉय एंड डू लेट अस नो कैसा लगा. पर वो बाद में बता सकते हो कैसा लगा, पहले पूरा वीडियो देख लो. एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल इफ़ यू love my vlogs. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Tanya and I make vlogs on travel, food, comedy and whatever experience I do have. Okay, so I'm having little bath, so I'll go to potty. You guys keep on watching. Good morning guys. So guys, I have a habit of having hot water, not hot, it's warm water in the morning. Guys, that's pretty much my daily boring morning routine. But now, time to find out Lena woke up or not.
Hi guys, Suprabhat. It's 9 a.m. more or less. I just woke up, almost, just washed my hair. And I'm so excited to be showing you my daily routine, how it goes for a Polish person. So it's going to be an exciting but very lazy day. So first thing I do, I need to get dressed. And आज मैं क्या पहनूं? I know. मैं भारतीय संस्कृति से इतनी प्यार करती हूँ कि हर रोज देसी कपड़े पहनती हूँ. बस मजाक कर रही हूँ. I would just go and change. My dad would never accept it. मेरे पापा जी वो एक बड़ा खड़ूस हैं. He would never let me wear that in the house, which is sad, but like okay, fine. I won't change. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि यही चलेगा. So now I'm ready to start my day. I will have my breakfast. So usually for breakfast on Sunday we have eggs with some bread, not toast. We're not Angrez, okay? And mayonnaise. Probably that's it. So I bet this is exactly what I will have today for breakfast because it's been like this since years and years and years. And actually I think it's part of Polish tradition also, the modern tradition. So I think a lot of people actually have the same breakfast on Sunday because on regular days we just have some sandwich and that's it. We don't really have eggs. Eggs is like cool food. So I will go for breakfast now. Mama मुझे बुलाती है.
No bo tu chodzi o to, jak nie będę wygląda, no. Tu trzeba pokazać ojca, czy to uśmiechnij się.
Nie pokazuj.
Excuse me. O co tu?
That was pretty funny introduction you gave Lena. And now time for me to show you guys what I usually have in the morning. So hey guys, right now I'm having till 1 p.m. and I'm really late today. I woke up really late. and that's my balcony from where you will get a green view. So that's my balcony, and I will have my tea. So no breakfast. So Lena, usually we Indians have breakfast. Like in breakfast we have puri, then poha, and bread, butter bread. So these are the things we usually have. And what I usually have is like bread. I like it simple bread, fruits buttered, and कभी पोहा या पूरी और क्या खाते हैं, रोटी भी खा लेते हैं कभी मॉर्निंग रोटी एंड सम सब्जी. सो दैट्स थिंग. पर अभी मेरा चाय ठंडा हो रही है, सो लेट्स नॉट लेट इट गेट कोल्ड. एंड I'll be showing you guys. Okay, I'm still blabbering because my brain is still hanged as I just woke up. So I'll be trying to show you what I do in a day as much as possible. So hope you guys enjoy mine and Lena's part too, and do let us know in comments कैसा लगा बस.
Hello again, my name is Lena. I come from Poland and I'm very interested in Indian culture. I make YouTube videos in Hindi. I also do some vlogs in Hindi in Poland. Today we're actually very lucky because it's snowing and it looks just so amazing, especially as the snow falls on the pine trees, which are still yellow because most of the trees, all of the trees that had leaves, they're so dead and they have no leaves at all. But the pine trees are still green and it just looks so dreamy. See for yourself how magical it looks. The snow falling down, and it's not even that cold in Poland actually. It's 3 degrees. So going to the store at the moment, and I have my mask on and my cap on and the shawl and everything. It's pretty warm for winter, but it's only 2 degrees anyway.
Here's a Polish supermarket. It's a German one actually, but that's how it looks like, and it's like the most standard grocery store ever. It's pretty big and it's got pretty much a lot of alleys. Can you imagine I found out some food out of date? It's so scandalous. उन लोगों को शर्म नहीं आती, you know? People can get very sick. I went on a walk with my dad and my 2 siblings. I didn't know where we were going exactly. We ended up on the cemetery. In Poland, we visit cemetery a lot. Before the cemetery gate, there's a lot of flowers to buy and some candles to lit. In Poland, we usually decorate our graves. I mean, not our graves, just our family members' graves.
I feel so cold after spending 2 hours outside and my hands are just like frozen. I can barely feel them. Oh, I hate winter. I really do.
Lena, you were so lucky here. That snowfall was just so magical. But unfortunately in my city, Kolkata, it's a really humid city. So never ever any snowfall will happen. During this afternoon time, I really stay busy with my work, my office work, and sometimes if the office work is less, then I do the video like the vlogs editing. And after that I take my lunch, have my lunch, take my bath, and then I have my yoga classes. So that's my pretty routine almost every day. My favorite part is of course having the prasad. Yours also same, right? Do let me know in comments. तो जिन लोगों को मेरी खूबसूरती की राज जाननी है, सो द रीज़न बिहाइंड माई ऑल द ब्यूटी इज़ निविया सॉफ्ट. और निविया ने मुझे पे नहीं किया था. आई रियली लाइक निविया, इट रियली गुड टू माई स्किन. तो बस इसलिए मैंने बोल दिया. And time for lunch, and let's see what Lena is doing.
So today for dinner we have cooked sour cabbage and some dumpling-like dough. It's called kluski in Polish, and some meat. It wasn't too good altogether, but kya karna, mommy ne banaye. I also attended a mass today because it's Sunday. I didn't really want to go, but my parents are very Christian and they make me. But these days, we do not go to the actual church. We watch a video transmission. Basically, we go to the church online, which is fun. It's so much more comfortable. You can just sit in your chair and sing.
Guys, do you get that? Like Polish people have their dinner in the time of lunch. मतलब that's the only meal they have in a day. और हम लोग तो इधर खाते ही रहते हैं. Oh God. For today's lunch, I have rice, sabji, and then some fish, and another fish. That's fish fry and that's fish curry. So abhi chicken flu is going on, so we are having this. And this is some mashed potatoes and dry lentils, which you call bori. This is dal, mixed dal, and there goes a chutney. It's cool. Cool का हिंदी मुझे मालूम नहीं है, so I will write in the description. So I am really late for today's lunch. तो आज मम्मी पापा ने already खाना खा लिए हैं because it's already 3:15 and I was stuck with my work. So today, usually I have lunch with them, but sometimes I get like it gets late too. So me being a Bengali, we always have a really wide spread of khana during the lunch. रात को it's light, but lunch थोड़ा heavy होता है, जैसे दाल, सब्जी, fish. So guys, I'm done with my lunch and now it's time for a short nap. And फिर I will do some office work, and after 1.5 hour I will have my yoga classes. So yeah. See you in my class. So it's evening time and we are having shingara and vegetable chop with chutney. Shingara is basically a baked pastry, baked fried pastry, baked and fried. It's fried one with stuffing and all. And vegetable chop is like vegetable fritters and that a chutney. So we don't usually have this regularly, but today it is really cold and we felt like we should have something like chatpata in the evening with our tea. So right now we are having that. So do you like samosa and all, and have you ever had this vegetable chop? So do let me know, ठीक है? And देखते हैं, do Lena or do people out there have anything in evening like us, like snacks, some chatpata or something? So let's check it out.
I wanted to have some supper as I usually do, but then I opened the fridge and it was just dairy products, just so much yogurt, and I was very unimpressed. So I decided to make some coffee, and my parents, they have this really cool coffee machine, so like why not use it? मुझे coffee बहुत पसंद है. I love good coffee. I really do. It is exactly 11 a.m. right now. I have my coffee and I'm going to study because I have an exam in 1 day, basically in just 1 day. So, wish me luck. So I don't know if I'm going to sleep tonight. I'm not really sure, especially if I'm going to be editing this video a little bit. I hope you found out a little bit about Poland, how our daily routines differ.
It's 9:30 and I'm really exhausted. और मुझे अभी 11 बजे तक काम करना होगा, उसके बाद ही आज उतना नहीं है, तो 11 के बाद I'll be free. तो फिर I'll have my dinner and फिर I'll try to sleep, पर sleep होता नहीं है क्योंकि मैं फिर सोचती रहती हूँ कि फिर कल क्या like video डाल ली and also my brain never stop till I sleep. So यही है मेरा routine. I hope आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो like not मेरा वीडियो, God my brain is not working. So मेरा जो like what goes in my day, so ये वाला vlog अच्छा लगा हो, लेना की भी लगी हो, and मुझे बताना कौन सा पार्ट अच्छा लगे आपको, and आप चाहते हो क्या like मैं लेना के साथ और कोलाबोरेट करूँ एंड किस टॉपिक पे करूँ नेक्स्ट वो भी बता देना। एंड ये मेरी बहुत अनफिल्टर्ड एक भाषण थी, सो दिस इज़ एक्चुअली मी, द वे आई स्टे, आई डू एंड व्हाट गोज़ ऑन, लाइक एटलीस्ट 70%, 30% या 60%, 30-40% बाकी है, क्योंकि इतना एक दिन में नहीं होता है दिखाना। पर आपको अगर और जानना है या किसी और टॉपिक में चाहते हो कि मैं करूँ, बताओ, सब कुछ बताओ। एंड
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then like, share, comment and subscribe to Whatever Tanya channel.
तो कर दो, लेना का भी लिंक सब डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है, तो करना।
Thank you for watching. देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Thank you. Bye bye.
क्या दबा देना बेल, टाटा।